I was on the hunt for a phone holder for my car, and I was sent this vacuum magnetic phone holder for free in exchange for my unbiased review. It has a twisting lock motion to secure the suction. It comes with some silicone pads and a magnetic ring to help you secure this to whatever surface you'd like to. And it also comes with some cleaning wipes. So I'm going to put this on my dash. So I use the wet wipe first, followed by the dry wipe. And then they include this mount. So you can actually mount this suction holder to uneven surfaces or a surface that's not completely smooth. So I take the backing off, secure it on my dash really nicely, and took the cover off the magnetic portion of this mount. So I am going to go ahead and secure this phone holder to the mount. And once I have it centered the way I like, I just twist the locking mechanism in the direction to lock it on, and it is on there really, really tightly. This thing is not going anywhere. Whatever twists or turns you're going to take with your car, you do not have to worry about this phone mount falling off of where you put it onto. And it works perfectly with my iPhone, with the magnetic portion. And if you don't have a magnet on your phone, it comes with a magnet. I recommend this 100%.